Hey everyone, it's Hydrofoam here, and in this video we're going to be checking out how rare is copper and how you can find it in Minecraft 1.17 survival. So in this test I have all the tools required with me. So we have an iron pickaxe, a couple of torches and some stake as well. Now I'm just going to quickly place them, and in the meantime what you can do is to go ahead and check out my channel membership that just launched right now. So alright, so I've already made a small mine here and I've already found some copper. So this is what I wanted to show you guys, and I did some research and I found out that copper usually spawns around 10 to 70. All right, so why 10 to 70? Let me just show you guys. So we are currently at Y57. You can see over here. So usually when it's iron or something, it's going to show like one more ore is going to be right beside it. But that's not how it works for copper. It's basically like a vein itself. You have to kind of figure out how far along it goes inside. As you guys can see, so this goes pretty deep inside, but not that much. And now you can go ahead and collect this. I think you can use a stone pickaxe as well, because I did some digging around. I did some research and I found out that the most common area to find copper is Y40. All right. So we are currently at Y57, which means I need to dig down 17 more blocks. And yeah, I'm going to start doing that, and I'll be right back with you guys once this is complete. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, so we are at Y40 currently, and now I'm just going to go ahead and start strip mining. I think I'm going to do it around here because it's not facing the side of the cave. And yeah, so I think we should be good to go. I think, oh yeah, look at that guys. So we have already found some copper already. So Y40. Alright, so let's just see how much copper did we find. I think it should be around 6 because every copper vein usually has 6 copper. Alright. Oh, okay, I think we got 7 in this case. Oh wow, there is a ton of copper. Alright, so I think Y40 is ideally the best place to find copper. I'm not too sure. This is obviously a very small sample size. We can't really confirm anything with this, so we're just going to go ahead and keep on mining. Alright guys, so I've been mining for quite a bit and I ended up finding 4 iron as well. And as you guys can see, so it's a pretty long tunnel, and I did find this open area over here. I mean, I launched into this cave over here. So we don't really need that iron right now, but I'm trying to find copper and I can't find none. All right, so let me just show you where I am at right now. So I'm at 42 right now. They said ideally it should be around 40, so I'm not too sure where it is, because it should be around 40, 41, 42, like that much of a radius at least should be available. It can't be only at 40. So as you guys can see, so a ton of iron, but what's surprising is that there is no coal really. And I think this is just in Java, I'm not sure, because in Bedrock Edition, whenever I go for mining, I get like a ton of coal. Alright, so I think this is a pretty good place to dig. Alright, it's not a good place to mine. Let's just check out somewhere else. Alright, yeah, let's start strip mining from over here, and let's see if we can find any more copper, because in my opinion, like they said that copper is as rare as iron. Oh, alright, here we go. We found some copper, guys, finally. So as you guys can see, so this is copper vein. It spawns a bit differently than iron, but it's more or less the same. I think Mojang was just saying that just to make it a bit more interesting in my opinion. But anyway, so we found some more copper. All right, so that basically confirms where are we currently. Okay, we are at 37. That's not too bad. That's not too far away from 40. So yeah, I think it's around like 35 to 45 is where you find most of your copper. Because look at that, guys. So we already have 29 copper. And so yeah, guys, with that, I've come to a conclusion in this video. So if you guys did enjoy it, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and also consider joining the membership of my channel right now. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one now. Goodbye.